What did we do in our last lesson?
It's it's kind of like meters. No words.
What's that?
Maybe I don't know what name is it. Every time I always forgot the name.
Oh, you want to know a secret?
Yeah.
I also don't remember.
Oh.
Quantities.
Oh, okay.
So it's like how much of things.
Oh,
So we talked about like the full one, a cup, right?
a cup.
And then?
A cup of flour.
Yeah, and then a little bit smaller than that is?
A half cup of
Half cup, that's right. And then a little bit smaller than that is?
a quarter cup.
That's right. And then we get to the spoons. What's the biggest spoon, Isa?
Tablespoon.
Tablespoon.
Yeah.
What's the biggest spoon? Tablespoon. What's the smallest spoon? A tablespoon. What's the smallest one? Is a trisopsis. That one is a tablespoon.
Tablespoon.
And then smaller than that?
A teaspoon.
A what?
A teaspoon.
A teaspoon.
A teaspoon. Okay.
And then the very smallest one is?
Oh, okay. A drop.
Drop. A drop sissies.
No.
And that's right. And even smaller than that?
An entity.
And smaller than that is a quadruple. What's the even smaller than that, but smaller than that, and smaller than that? It's a quadruple. I said, hey, BAO NGOC, can you please give me a quadruple of sugar, please?
1 sugar.
Yeah, it's like 1 grain. It's like pretty much 0.
Oh.
Oh, okay. Very good. Okay, are you ready for the next one?
Yes, I am.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.